welcome in, welcome back to the channel. I'm looking for a 200 Chrysler 200. Is this it? Yes, this looks like it right here. Will not move. Okay, why is the hood up? I do not know, but we're gonna find out. All right, door unlock. Now see that? The emergency shift override level is up. I'm gonna go around here and see something. I get a little paranoid when I see like somebody been doing something or what. Obviously it was towed in, right? Okay, battery off. I see this a lot, guys. This is a new trend. What are y'all doing out there, man? You can't, I mean, I guess if it's your own car, yeah, but, and you can't, this terminal, the positive terminal is replaceable. The negative, not. You got to get the whole cable. And it's real easy to do, guys. I think these like 40 bucks. They go from here down to your transmission case. It's going to bolt to the transmission where it gets a good solid ground. So there's no need to jimmy rig these terminals, guys. Yeah, just get you a new one that's going to be complete with the cable. I don't know if something was running. Why they got this off? I didn't hear nothing start running. So again, it's in for no go. Let's find out what part of no go. All right, push start. With this up, you're not gonna, I don't know why people think they could just leave. I think I'm talking too much. Let me shut up and figure out what the hell is going on. Will it start? Okay, start. Why am I neutral? Because, let me pull this down, guys. Make sure your feet is on the emergency brake. All right, got that down. It's got the door open. Yes, checking the lights on. A couple of warning lights. Brake light flashing. So let me turn the brakes off. All right. Let me go back to park. Then go to reverse. Not moving, guys. Oh boy. I'm not moving in drive or reverse. Brake on, brake off. It's a no mover. Now I need to find out why the code's on, but I really need to get in the shop because my battery is dead. I guess nothing. In reverse. Pressing on the gas. I am not moving at all. All right, guys. I'm going to have to get this towed in, man. So we're going to have to hold off on this troubleshooting. All right. But as you can see, the complaint. No. Will not move. Car will not move. Service, park, and brake. I get it off. All right, guys. I'll tell y'all what. Stay tuned, man. I got to go get a helper. We have to get this one pushed in the shop. All right, so stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. I'm headed back to this 200 we was checking out. It won't move. I do not want to push this car, so I brought out my shifter. We're gonna try this. This is one of my spare shifter assembly, guys. Okay, so the problem we're having is it won't move. I'm not sure if it's not seeing the correct gear or what, but what I'm gonna try to do, and this is a try. I'm just gonna swap this out. I'm just gonna plug this up. Now, quite frankly, it's pretty simple, guys. If I plug this in, I wrote good on this, so I don't know why I replaced it or why the other mechanic replaced it. I don't know. I just keep it for diagnostic purposes. Remember what I talked about the tip-ems? Same scenario, guys. I guess this can fail in different ways. All right. I'm not sure. But what I'm about to do, okay, how do you get in here? Oh, this is fairly easy. I think it's just, cover just pops up, yeah. I'm gonna swap this out. If I get my gears back, that's pretty much a no-brainer as far as what the problem is. But the thing I don't want you guys to stick in your head is every time you get a car like this and it's doing this, you're gonna automatically think it's this. No, guys, it's not the case. Every car has a unique set of problems, okay? Even if it's the exact same car as this, doesn't mean when you see this problem, you're going to have a problem with this. Keep in mind, I don't even know what the codes is. I'm just really trying to get into the shop. I'm trying to avoid having to push or get this pushed into the shop. So I am doing this. I do not want to push this car into the shop, but I'm going to swap out the shifter assembly and see what happens. If everything goes well, I will be able to drive it into the shop, and then I could proceed. There you go. Proceed with my diagnostics. Okay, where's my key at? All right. I left the battery. I got the battery connected, guys. They're gonna need some. They're definitely gonna need some battery terminals. Okay, that positive and that negative is All right, let's see. Oh, I just felt the bump, which means yes, I got reverse, guys. I am moving. Yes, I do not have to push this. Woo! Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Do I got drive? Yes, I felt the bump. Ladies and gentlemen, I now have reverse and dry. Okay, so we're going to get this car in and find out exactly what's going on. I'm sure there are some codes inside the module. This is the module itself. The emergency breakers, everything is modules, which means everything is on the bus. So depending on your scan tool, will you be able to comprehend any of this stuff? I don't know. I got a special place for parts like this in my heart and in my toolbox. So just the little things you pick up on the way as you venture into this automotive journey. For those of you that's doing this for a living, you will, if you're a smart guy, you will start doing little things to help you save time, guys. The key here is time management. Okay, you do not want to be wasting a lot of time doing a lot of things that cost a lot of time. All right, I am in. So what I'm gonna do, guys, likely scan this thing. This is my problem, guys, and I think last time I needed one of those, we didn't have it in stock. But I'm gonna go through the motion with you guys and show the fault codes and things like that, and we'll see what happens from there. Okay, see, I wrote good on that, so I know that's good. Now, how did I know that this was the problem? I didn't know. Okay, remember before you put it in, you turn it, nothing happened. I wasn't moving. I was stuck in. So I took a wild guess. Again, guys, the goal behind that was to merely get into the shop. Do not diagnose cars this way. All right. As far as quick diagnosis, yes. I really want to find out what's wrong with it real quick. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And you plug it in and move. Okay. But continue with your diagnosis, guys. Now, again, I don't think we have one in stock. So if I order one, or if I got to sell it first. So if I sell it and we don't have one, I really want to wait till one get in. But there's nothing to see. You can see how to replace it. Okay. I mean, it's just held in by some screws. But we'll talk some more, guys. Just stay tuned. All right. Stay tuned. I'll be right back.